A few weeks ago, I was going through my emails, just answering messages from my customers as usual, when I saw something unexpected, an email from the LoveCrafts team. They forwarded me a message from a customer who found my crochet pattern being resold on Etsy under a fake name. I was honestly shocked. The customer had bought a baby sneakers pattern from a supposed Etsy designer, but what she received had nothing to do with the pictures in the listing. When she compared the files, she realized the pattern she got was actually mine copied and resold by a scammer.
I'm Anna, crochet designer and pattern maker, and I know how frustrating is it to waste yarn, time and money on a bad pattern. That's why in this video I will share 5 red flags, clear signs of fake or low quality crochet patterns. Stay with me till the end and you will get a free checklist you can use before every purchase.
Red flag number 1: very few photos. If a listing has only 1 or 2 pictures and no close-ups, that's a warning sign. Real designers usually show their work from different angles, so you know what to expect. And here's another clue. If details change between photos, like the number of fingers, buttons, or accessories, it's often a sign the images are AI generated. Red flag number 2: no video, or a very suspicious one. A quick video of the finished item builds trust. If there's no video at all, or just some stock animation, be careful. Red flag number 3: no reviews and no customer photos. If nobody has shared the results, it's hard to know if the pattern even works. Red flag number 4: no social media or links to the designer. Real creators are usually open. They share Instagram, YouTube, or a website. If the seller is completely anonymous, that's suspicious. Red flag number 5: a price that's too low. Quality patterns take a lot of work, photos, testing, instructions. If the price is suspiciously cheap, it's often stolen or AI generated. These were the 5 biggest red flags. But there are more. I've made a free checklist that you can download. Just click the link in the description. It will take you to a short form on my website. Keep this file with you whenever you shop for patterns, and you'll always know what to look out for.
So it's really important to support the real designers. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video, where I will share you 5 green flags, the positive signs of high quality crochet pattern. Bye bye, see you.